हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, वेलकम टू बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस। मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्रतीक और आज हम कर रहे हैं आइलेट्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए एक इंटरव्यू शूट। हमारे साथ में है भव्या जो एक आइलेट्स एस्पिरेंट हैं। लेट्स आस्क हर अ क्वेश्चन एंड सी हाउ शी रिस्पॉन्ड्स। सो द क्वेश्चन इज, डिस्क्राइब अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन whose work you admire. Who that person is, how do you know him or her, and what creative things he or she has done, and explain why you think he or she is a creative person.
Okay, so I know many creative persons in my life, but there are many, a lot, like in the YouTube channel I know many. So the person I admire a lot is Khamu Saran. Her name is Khamu Saran, and she has a channel on YouTube named as Khamu Saran Vlogs or Creatives. So she is such a nice lady. Okay, so she is also a working woman plus a mother of two children. So I loved her works. Like she make number of things out of waste. Like she never throw any waste things like such as bottles, cardboards, like nothing. She just use them and make videos. She make very beautiful earrings and the organizers, like many more things like a person can use in a home to decorate the things. So I like admire her a lot, and I want to meet her in once in a life because of her struggle she had in her life. So yes, she is the person I admire a lot, and I usually saw her videos on the YouTube.
Okay, you spoke very well. You have good confidence and a smiling face. You spoke with good fluency. All you need to do is work on your basic grammar, right? Like the
Yes.
present simple and past simple tenses. All the best.